welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. Then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a review on a new foundation. So if you're here to see what new foundation Miss Tamika is talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here makeup review. Talk about the foundation, and then we're gonna jump straight into the tutorial. So really quick, I did purchase this stuff from Sephora, the new Glossier Stretch Fluid Foundation. Pull up my phone so we can read the claims on this particular foundation. Medium coverage, hydrating, and free. And what else? Skin benefits as well, with an 89% skin base, plant deliver squalene, and all of these other big words that I am not going to sit here and try to pronounce. But let me just let you know that it is skin benefits to this particular foundation. And if I didn't mention, it retails for $34, and it's, I want to say, almost a 5-star foundation. It's off of the Sephora website, or you can also purchase this from the actual Glossier website. And then also purchase the Glossier brush that goes along with this particular foundation. And I like the fact that, let me show you really quick, clicks down. So what you do when you want to close it, you just press the button and turn it like so, and it clicks into place. Packaging, of course, I already took it out because I used it already. And you have Glossier here on the front, and like I said, to open it, you just press the button, turn it, and click it like so. And oh my gosh, when I tell you, if you purchase this particular foundation, you have to get the brush. Because oh my gosh, you all, like, do you see how it's shaped? And it was easy to get like under your eye area, and I kind of like pulled it back as I was applying the foundation. Oh my gosh, you all, and it got up in my eyebrow area without disturbing anything. So I really recommend the brush if you do get the foundation. My lips, I am wearing the Makeup Forever lip liner with the Sephora, see this, but it's this particular pink from the Sephora collection, and the milk, the new milk lip gloss on top to create this look. I put a little bit of this here Anastasia on here because I wanted to tone down the pink. So before that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I have purchased the new Glossier Fluid Foundation, and I heard it has a lot of skin benefits. And I also purchased the brush. And when you see this brush, it's so cute. And the medium deep one. I did already do my, of course, my brows and my eyes. And y'all, hands down, I am loving this here Merit eyeshadow. All over the eye is the Merit. I did already prep my skin. Y'all already know I use my Bobbi Brown face base, and it's almost gone, y'all. I'm gonna have to purchase another one on the cosmetic company store because I paid $10 when they had that deal. The packaging really cute. A few pumps. and wet my beauty blender, and I'll be right back.